So I have some potato here. What I'm going to do is peel these, cut them small, and put them in some water to boil with some salt. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt to the potato and then leave it to boil and come to very soft texture. Then I'm adding milk to my pot. You could use any kind of milk that you have, box milk or whatever that you have. Just put everything to use.
I wish I was on my road, heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home. I was talking to you on my road, cause I know I'm too scared to love it shine like chrome.
I'm adding half and half, or as we say, full cream milk to the other type of milk that I had already. To the milk, I'm adding half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of baking powder. If you want, you could add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, it's fine. Then I'm adding some butter to the milk. Ensure that you whisk these together till they are completely combined, and make sure you do it on medium heat so that your milk won't burn or bubble too quickly. Constantly stir it as well. When everything is combined, you turn off your heat and you add 3 eggs and you whisk these until they are completely combined. You want to make sure that your stove is off so that your eggs won't cook.
Do you fix a broken person, Do you fix a broken person, Do you know that I'm so broken, Can't I love without me breaking, Nobody knows this.
Then I'm adding half tablespoon of the all-purpose seasoning to give it flavor because I didn't have any black pepper at the moment. This point it's okay if you want to add your cheese, but I didn't want to add any cheese to my sauce, so yeah. Make sure you drain all or as much as possible, get all of the water out of the potatoes. And I want to enclose that this is sweet potatoes, if I didn't mention it before. So it's a sweet potato cream pie. So make sure you get all of that water out as much as possible, and then you want to mash these as smooth as you can. So the mixture that we made earlier on, we're going to add it to the sweet potatoes and we're going to mash until very smooth.
I was talking to you on my road, cause I know I'm too scared to love it shine like chrome. How do you fix a broken person, How do you fix a broken person, How do you know that I'm so broken, Can't I love without me breaking? 너를 원한다고 해서 이건 될 게 아닌데 나는 무엇 때문에 이렇게 또 눈물이 나네. Walking down the streets telling myself it's okay, but you know that I'm
Using the spoon so that I can do the folding method. So I folded as much as possible all of the liquid that I placed into the potato, and then I continuously added milk until I get the consistency that I needed. At this point, if you taste it, you could add salt or black pepper if you wish to, but I did not, because while adding cheese here, I know that cheese adds salt to your food, so I didn't use any salt. So yeah.
I was on my road heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home. I was talking to you on my road cause I know I'm too scared to love and shine like chrome. How do you fix a broken person? How do you fix a broken person? How do you know that I'm so broken? How can I love without me breaking? Nobody knows it's empty, the smile away.
I buttered my pie dish with some butter so that it won't stick, and then I filled my butter into the pie dish, and then I spreaded it.
With sugar luck in every single bit, cause I can only love you shortly. Standing all alone, vibrates on my phone. Switch back to airplane mode, hoping across my zone. Standing all alone, vibrates on my phone. Switch back to airplane mode, hoping across my zone.
I then went ahead and placed some breadcrumbs on the top of my pie so that I can get a cute golden crust.
I wish I was on my road heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home.
Then I placed cheese on the top of my pie so that it could be nice and cheesy. I love cheesy food, guys. And this is our finished product. You know your pie is done when your pie looks cute like this, guys.
Do you fix a broken person? Do you know that I'm so broken?